Welcome students, welcome to Zoology Wala. And in the last class we have seen the types of teeth in human being, and now we will see the types of teeth in the animal kingdom. The important teeth which are generally being asked in the examinations. The types of teeth, the first one is lophodont, and here you can see this is the upper portion of the teeth. Generally if you remove one teeth and see the upper portion, the visible portion, and that area where you can see the depressions over the teeth useful for chewing. See here, that one, the so called depressions which are present on the teeth, and these are the depressions. And here in case of wait. In case of lophodont, you can see the transverse ridges like this. You can see the transverse ridges like this. So the transverse ridges which are present over the upper portion of the molars, if appears like this, it comes under lophodont. Where these are generally seen? These are generally seen in horse as well as rhinoceros. And the second one is selenodont, S-E-L-E-N-O, selenodont. And here crescent shaped cusps, crescent means half moon shaped cusps are present. And generally we are talking about the types of teeth based on the chewing surface of the premolars and molars. So premolars and molars, where they show number of crescent shaped cusps, and where these are seen in ruminant herbivores, okay. And the next one is bonodont, and here very less depressed cusps are present. They are also called low blunt cusps. So the depression is not that much deeper here, and these are generally seen in case of humans. The type of teeth what human beings having, humans and bears comes under this category. As I said, especially you have to concentrate on molars in case of human beings rather than premolars, and so molars shows some cusps, low blunt cusps are present in case of bonodont dentition. Let us see the next type of teeth, secodont, S-E-C-O-D-O. Previous one is selenodont, and now secodont. See here how the teeth appears. This is one tooth, it appears like this. And generally upper last premolar and first molar, they appears like this. Just imagine the upper last premolar and lower first molar, if it appears like this, what happens when they are trying to crush the food material, when they are trying to cut the food material, even bones also undergoes crushing, and these are seen in carnivores especially, even in dogs are also present, tigers are also present. That is the reason why they are able to cut the bone also. So much power will be there for the teeth. And these are the different types of teeth asked in the examination. Previously they asked where the bonodont type of teeth are present, in which of the following animal bonodont teeth are present. Like that questions are also observed. So better to concentrate on these types of teeth also. And the next one is brachydont and hypsodont. What do you mean by this brachydont and hypsodont? Just now I told, imagine this is the tooth, and this is the crown portion, visible portion, and this is the neck, and followed by this one is root. So if single root is present, generally for the incisors and canines single root is present, and I told you in previous class regarding the human teeth. So this is the visible portion, crown, and this one is the neck portion, and followed by this one as the root of the tooth. If the crown is very less visible, or low crown teeth is generally seen, something like in human being we have the visible portion very less, we have very less visible portion, but most of the teeth will be just embedded in the sockets of jawbone. In case of human being, there is a membrane called periodontal membrane which lines the socket of the jawbone, and where the teeth will be fixed. So in case of human beings, these low crown teeth generally observed, also seen in case of Suscrofa pig, in cats also it is visible, and the low crown teeth are called brachydont. Opposite to that, hypsodont. In case of hypsodont, say this one, imagine this is the tooth. Here the teeth will be like this. The tooth, most of the teeth generally visible. So these are called high crown teeth, which are seen in horse especially regarding the molars. In case of hypsodont teeth, what happens? Most of the crown portion is visible. Premolars and molars, the cheek teeth generally appears like this. So these are the different types of teeth, and previous one, these are the different types of teeth like lophodont, Solenodon, Bunodon, and this one has a Secodon. These are the types of teeth based on the shape of the cusps, the ridges, and how the grooves will appear, how the ridges will appear. Based on that, there are different types of teeth. And these are the two types of teeth based on the visibility of the teeth. In general, in case of fangs, fangs in case of snakes, there are two types of snakes were observed based on the fangs position. Opistoglyphous snakes and Solenoglyphous snakes. Two categories are there, whatever it may be, and now I am not going to talk about the types of the fangs and types of snakes. My intention is the fangs are nothing but the modified maxillary teeth in case of snakes. I think you might have seen the tusks of elephant. They are nothing but the teeth. Any guesses how many times the teeth in case of elephants are replaced? If you observe the molars, in the lifetime of an elephant, minimum 6 to 7 times the molars can be replaced. And the tusks of elephant, the tusks of elephants are modified form of what type of teeth? Just refer whether they are modified incisors or canines. I am going to reveal it in the next video. That's all about the types of teeth in case of animal kingdom. We will meet with the structure of other parts which are present in the buccal cavity in the next video. Thank you.